Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Rheem Tankless water heater is showing code 14, it can be really frustrating, especially when your hot water suddenly stops working. This error usually points to an overheating issue, which means the unit is detecting unsafe temperature conditions and shutting down to protect itself. Many users think something is seriously damaged, but in most cases, it's caused by restricted airflow, dirty filters, or blocked vents. Since tankless systems rely on proper ventilation and cooling, even a small blockage can trigger this code. The good part is that with a few simple checks, you can fix code 14 and get your system running normally again. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the unit and let it cool down completely. Step 2. Check the air intake and exhaust vents for blockages. Step 3. Clean the air filter and remove dust buildup. Step 4. Inspect for loose wiring or sensor connections. Step 5. Reset the unit by turning power off and back on. Step 6. Run hot water and monitor if the error returns.